everyone, in this video I will talk about how to evaluate pressure drop and see sprue pressure in Moldex3D Studio interface. Okay, first of all, the pressure is one of the most important results in Moldex3D simulation. In order to show the pressure dissipated in part and runner. Other than that, a shortage of pressure or high pressure loss can contribute to other severe injection defect like short sink mark, or even higher camping force is needed due to the higher pressure is required to push the melt forward into the cavity. Okay, first of all, to see this result in Moldex3D interface, after we finish running the simulation, we press at the triangle symbol in front of filling stage. It will show the analysis result that obtained from filling simulation. And here we select pressure. After you select pressure result, the right-hand side color bar will show you how much pressure is dissipated in the part and in runner, showing in different color. And the unit in here is megapascal. But in this case, in order to see the pressure drop in runner, we will normally see at VP switch stage, or it's the moment when it changed from filling to packing stage. By right-click on the time stage here and select VP switch. Okay, we can see that the pressure loss is changed from the beginning to VP switch position. But if we want to see the pressure loss only in runner, we will hide the part first. So in here, the right-hand side color bar will show only pressure dissipated in runner. And this color bar can be used to calculate how much pressure is lost in the runner before entering the actual part. In this case, we will take 42.325 minus 28.09. So we will know that it's approximately 14.21 megapascal loss, or around 33.5%. In here, if the percentage is too large, customer could try to modify the runner design, whether it's the length or diameter, to prevent the pressure shortage before entering the part. Okay, next we will see the sprue pressure. We open the part first. But normally sprue pressure will see it in packing stage. But in order to see the sprue pressure in packing stage, we will change this one to packing and scroll down. First of all, we will select melt front time first and scroll it down, select XY curve and sprue pressure. This one in here, we will see the overall pressure in XY curve. Sprue pressure result can check pressure value from sprue as shown in y-axis, or to see the maximum of pressure used in this case to eject this part. We'll use the mouse, scroll it along the line to see the maximum pressure need. For this case, the maximum pressure is needed is 41.6. Also, you can click play on the top left animation bar here to let software display graph and melt front animation at the same time. In this, okay, in here we click stop. And this is all of how we can evaluate pressure drop in Moldex3D software and see the sprue pressure result. And if you are interested in using our software, you can directly scan this QR code to get it for free. Thank you for watching.